So I got to my desk today and there was this box. It's not my birthday, but I'm pretty sure it's for me. There is a note that says, "Prepare to be amazed." So let's open it up and see what there is. Another note on the inside, this is cooler than you think. Oh, I know what this is. This is the SR Max slip test shoe demonstration. So what we have here is a restaurant tile, a can of Crisco for the testing, a few outsole competitors to the SR Max. I'm going to take some Crisco, throw it on the tile. We'll do competitor number 1. All right. Okay, right when it hits the tile, I put a little bit of pressure, it slides right off. Let's try the other one. Let's try competitor number 2. Okay, if you can see that, I don't know. Oh, this is even worse than the first one. No grip, really, whatsoever. And then let's try the competitor number 3. After, I don't know, maybe 10 pounds of pressure, it slides. So slip and falls are a leading hazard in the workplace. So regardless of if you're in healthcare, education, manufacturing, the service industry, you're going to need something that can really grip onto that floor and allow you to do whatever you do. And here's SR Max, the Mac Daddy. Wow, it is just locked in. I mean, it just takes that tile and doesn't move. I mean, it's almost like there's glue on it. I can read your mind though. Let's put some more Crisco and test it out again. Make sure, you gotta be double sure when you're doing these demonstrations and tests. Okay, fresh coat, and boom! I thought I had it this time. It's not going anywhere. You really don't know the difference until you see it in person. So there you have it.